Today we'll be cleaning this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan. So what's the worst that can happen? We have just arrived and I have honestly never seen a car get so much attention. Let's see just how many people look. And as you can see, this Lambo is wearing a coat of dirt and grime. A modest layer of dust and dirt has also found its way into the interior. So let's get started on these filthy wheels. This wheel cleaner is used to further dissolve that dirt and brake dust. And of course, we repeat this process on the rest of the wheels. Time to pre-wash this Huracan using dirt remover and the Tino blue snow foam. Have you ever seen something so magnificent? I allow the blue snow foam and dirt remover to sit and work its magic as it emulsifies the dirt, pulling it away from the car. Let's now pressure wash this masterpiece. Be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications in order to never miss an upload. Let's now perform the hand wash. The detailing brush is used on those cracks and corners, which this Lamborghini has a lot of. Time to clean the lower portions of the car. The shampoo is thoroughly blasted away from the car.
Chaps, this is turning out to be a really difficult wash because of the extreme wind.
I came around this corner, I just saw you with the hose, and I just saw this all blue, and I was like, yo, some angry girlfriend in the car in blue, do you know what I mean?
I now coat this green Lamborghini in a solid layer of Tino ceramic snow foam. This will apply a great shine and protection to the entire car. Behold the spectacular outcome as the car effectively repels water. And these amazing results were achieved effortlessly. The Huracan is now dried. Chaps, supercars are honestly beautiful, but let me know in the comments below if you would personally want to own one and why. The glass is now cleaned up. Let's move into the interior. With a thorough vacuum clean, pulling the majority of the dust and dirt away from the carpets. All of the products which we use to transform these supercars can be found at tinocarcare.com. With that complete, the rest of the interior surfaces are thoroughly deep cleaned. This coffee stain was no match for the Tino interior detailer. Stay tuned chaps, as we'll be going on a crazy ride around town with the owner of this Lamborghini. Paintwork is now given that silky smooth shine. The tires are shined to complete this wash. And here are your results. Enjoy. Amazing finish. The interior is looking revitalized. What an absolute beautiful shine. Now let's go on a ride with the owner of this Lamborghini. Honestly chaps, I have never experienced this kind of acceleration before. It is absolutely insane. Whoa, that was a close one. The Lambo lost control, swerving from side to side, and I was literally bracing for impact. I thought we were 100% wrecked. But luckily, the owner was a good driver and quickly regained control. That's it for today's video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.